Search on for a BMW driver after cops seized high-powered weapons.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The police have launched a search for the driver of a BMW motorcar, following an operation that led to the seizure of an AK-47 rifle and more than 300 rounds of ammunition on Friday, January 28 in BIRCH Hill St James. Reports are that a team of officers were on foot patrol in the BIRCH Hill section of the parish when they saw the man exiting the motorcar with a box. According to the police report, the man dropped the box and ran on approach of the JSAFE team members. The box was retrieved, searched, and the weapons and ammunition found.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!